The evolution of robots and the future of their use in everyday life. The development of robots has come a long way in recent years, and the future looks bright for their continued use in our daily lives. From manufacturing and healthcare to education and entertainment, robots are being increasingly used to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and enhance our overall quality of life. In healthcare, robots are being used to perform surgeries, assist with physical therapy, and provide emotional support to patients. With more advanced robotic technologies, we can expect to see even more personalized and effective healthcare experiences in the future. In manufacturing, robots are being used to automate repetitive and dangerous tasks, leading to increased productivity and improved worker safety. With more advanced robotic systems, we can expect to see even more efficient and cost-effective manufacturing processes in the future. In education, robots are being used to create immersive and interactive learning experiences, particularly in fields such as science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. With more advanced robotic technologies, we can expect to see even more engaging and effective educational experiences in the future. Moreover, robots are being used to enhance our overall entertainment experiences, from theme park attractions to live performances. With more advanced robotic technologies, we can expect to see even more engaging and interactive entertainment experiences in the future. However, as with any new technology, there are also concerns around the potential for robots to displace human jobs and contribute to social isolation. It is important to ensure that the development and implementation of robots is done in a way that promotes ethical responsibility and equitable distribution of benefits. One area where we can expect to see significant growth in the use of robots is in the field of transportation. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones are already being tested and deployed in some parts of the world. In the future, we can expect these technologies to become more widely available, potentially reducing the number of accidents caused by human error and increasing the efficiency of transportation systems. Additionally, robots are being developed to assist with tasks such as home cleaning, cooking, and personal care for the elderly or disabled. This can improve the quality of life for those who require assistance with daily tasks and allow them to maintain independence for longer. However, there are also concerns about the potential for robots to become too autonomous and make decisions that go against human values and ethics. It is important to ensure that the development of robotic technologies is guided by principles of transparency, accountability, and human control. Furthermore, the development of robots also requires a skilled workforce capable of designing, programming, and maintaining these technologies. As such, there is a need for investment in education and training to prepare individuals for the jobs of the future in the field of robotics. Overall, the development of robots holds tremendous promise for enhancing our daily lives in a variety of ways. From healthcare and manufacturing to education and entertainment, robots are increasingly being used to improve efficiency and quality of life. As we move forward, it is important to continue to address the ethical, social, and economic implications of this technology and work towards responsible and equitable implementation. Another area where robots are being developed is in agriculture. Agricultural robots, or agrobots, are being used for various tasks such as crop monitoring, planting, and harvesting. These robots can help farmers increase crop yields and reduce the amount of labor required for agricultural tasks. Robots are also being developed for use in